Hello everyone, we're here at the Caron City Air Terminal in Carlsbad, New Mexico. And today we're going to take a flight to Albuquerque. Let's go inside the building. It looks like they're open every day from 5 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Right as you enter the terminal, you can see on the left there's a large seating area. And there are also some vending machines and an art installation in the middle. And on the right you have the check-in counter and restrooms. Then straight through these doors you go and board your plane on the tarmac. There is no screening area. So let's go and board the plane.
Hi. Yeah.
Thank you very much. You can sit right here, like.
Okay.
Sarah will be up front today with you. So, have you flown boutique air before?
Not before, no.
Quick safety briefing. Seatbelts come over your shoulder, connect to the center strap buckle just like a car seatbelt. Any questions that I'll come back and I'll help. Unlike an emergency, 3 emergency exits located on board the aircraft, forward aft center emergency exit. Unlike the amount of cabin depressurization, oxygen mask is available to you out on the wall. No smoking anytime includes e-cigarettes, and if you're running around alcohol, just please don't consume that on board the aircraft today. Fire extinguisher is located up here behind my seat in case that need arises. Do you have any questions?
Nope.
Okay. Should be about an hour and a half en route today. A couple bumps on the way out, so just keep your seatbelt fastened until you see the seatbelt sign go off.
Yeah.
Should be nice and smooth up the cruise. I've got refreshments here if you would like anything. I've got snacks as well, some pretzels and goldfish.
here's a look inside the cabin. This Pilatus PC-12 turboprop airplane has an 8-passenger seat configuration. And there's a cargo area in the back. The front seats also feature a foldable table and some power outlets. So that's going to be pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching, everyone.